Take a ride in the 2007 Vue. The Vue is stylish outside, while inside is a versatile cabin that offers several alternatives for hauling people or cargo. The interior is attractive and European in styling, modern and classy, with comfortable seats, and is priced below $5,000. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: daytime running lights, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, power steering, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, child seat anchors. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.